Hi guys, good evening. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about SOC KPI metrics. So KPI full form is key performance indicators. For 24 bar 7 SOC environment, we do have couple of metrics. Those matrices are, you can see in my screen. So these are all the metrics we have to validate. If you want to implement 24 bar 7 SOC operations for each and every project or every client whatever we are working on, so those KPIs are. So before going to SOC KPIs, I want to clarify one more KPI that is belongs to personal KPI or employee KPI. So employee KPI is depending on completely performance growth or appraisal growth year on year. So year on year, every company from April to March, they will validate. This is the finance cycle most of the companies will follow. Otherwise Jan to December, this is the another finance cycle most of the, so North America companies they will follow for appraisal cycle or salary hike or performance growth. So that KPIs are different and SOC KPIs are different. That's what I want to clarify before proceeding SOC KPIs. Hope it's clear. Individual performance key performance indicators for salary hike is different versus SOC key performance matrices or metrics are different. Hope this one is clear. Now let's go and see. So first KPI for any SOC operational support or implementation, ISM, information security management, and these metrics whatever we are keeping or whatever KPI we are defining, so according to the frequency, we have to go and we have to review the audit. So it depends on customer agreement or client agreement or project agreement between or consulting and service based company to customer or client. So couple of companies they'll follow monthly frequency, couple of companies they'll follow quarterly basis KPIs frequency review. Couple of companies they'll follow annual and couple of companies they'll follow off yearly as well. It depends. So, but anyway, in this screenshot, I given monthly basis. So first KPI is ISM, information security management. So most 100% it's very difficult to achieve all these key performance indicators or KPIs. At least if you are achieving 98 to 95 in between, that's more than sufficient. So under the first ISM, information security management, so these things will fall under the, for example, cyber resilience, and also we have successful workstations updating, patch updates, vulnerability management update, zero vulnerability identification, and also we have accuracy and also enrolling of the workstations or patch management console, VAPT. Okay, so uh, VAPT, whatever vulnerability test and pen test, so client will identify those mitigations we have to take care. And also even we have to coverage all the tools like EDR or firewall or proxy, so or DLP, or is there any tools whatever they are keeping under the so project, so we have to review all those. Basically it depends, so it's not the same KPI for each and every project and every client whatever we are supporting. Hope it's clear. So that is first part, ISM, information security management KPI. Second one is change management security issues. So couple of times what we have to do, for example, we have to upgrade firmware or we have to upgrade so any other tools like a firewall or SIM tool or EDR tools or vulnerability management tools or proxies or NADS, NAPS. So whatever tools they are keeping under the scope of the work, that is called SOW. So we have to go and we have to verify. So all the firmware upgrade. So if you want to do any firmware upgrade or tool upgrade, just I think we should not do. For that one, we have to raise a change request using change management process. It is defined by ITIL. And after that, we have to go and we have to implement this particular so change management process for different types of activities like firewall upgrade or SIM tool upgrade or correlation rule creation or patch updates and so on. So that is called change management. So after approval only, we have to take care of all these change management process along with change request. So next one, risk management. So risk management, so we have to identify the risk and also we have to analyze those risks. So is there any risk is involved? So under this one we have to make sure that whatever complaints our GRC team agreed, and also we have to take care of the mitigation and access plan once we identified the risk. So that is called risk management. So next one is service asset and configuration management. Under this one we have to identify accuracy of the servers, how many are integrated to EDR tool, or otherwise it is integrated to proxy, or integrated to vulnerability management tools, or integrated to SIM tools. So that accuracy, it is whether it is matching like asset inventory kind of thing. So next one is knowledge management. Under the knowledge management, whatever so approved resources and also approved category and domains, we have to provide minimum articles per month. Like for example, per day, sorry, per month we have to send 2 articles what's going on across the worldwide. So or per weekly once, so it depends. So that is about knowledge management. Next one is event management. So event management normally it will take care of the so critical, high, or low or medium related events. That one leads to define the SLA, whatever priority 1 or priority 2 or priority 3 tickets. Example, couple of EPS count is not coming and it's overshoot. Nothing but it's a very high amount of the EPS count is coming. In that scenario, how we can troubleshoot that particular issue? So that one will fall under the event management. So even parsing related issues and indexing related issues also will fall under the event management. That is also one of the KPI we have to review regularly. Next one is incident management. Under this incident management, we should make sure that all the incidents, whatever we are raising, it's covered or not, and also support, and also number of percentage incidents incorrectly categorized based on the attack wise, and also how many are false positive and true positive, and also we have to define the knowledge base articles, and also we have to open the tickets and close the tickets and on hold tickets or pending tickets and cancel duplicate or tickets. All those incident management we have to take care using ticketing tools or inbuilt case management tools. Next one is request fulfillment. Whenever any client is providing some of the requests to us. So for example, support coverage 24/7, and also we can categorize the number of instance, and also tickets it's open. So those its request is based on completely so client requirement or business requirement. Next one is problem management. So in the problem management, we have to identify proactive issues, whatever we identified in the SOC operations. So those problems we have to solve. So for example, monthly 2 or monthly 1, or maybe quarterly 3 or 4, something like that. For example, so we are receiving a lot of false positive in the SIM tool for SOC operations. We have to reduce that false positives. So that is one of the problems we identify. So we can fix that particular issue. So in the similar way, parsing related issues are happening regularly, and whatever raw logs are integrated SIM tool, those logs are not parsing by SIM tool. In that scenario, we can go and we can fix that particular problem. Same thing, it is related to indexing and so on. So these are the couple of problems we have to uh, sit with the respective client or customer, and we have to do the performance metrics measurement. So it's come to metric. Whenever we are referring metric, we have to make sure that always it should be in quantity. So quantity we have to prove it. Resource management, whatever resources, when you say resources, L1, L2 and L3 team. So how many L1, L2 and L3 team people are available? So whether they are supporting on call, and whether they are available 24/7, whether they are providing, and also whether skill set is available or not. All those part of resource management. Next one is continual service improvement. So continual service improvement is completely depending on the completion of all agreed. Okay, so what are preventive or corrective actions, and also a stabilization of the SOC operations, and also even we have to take care of the customized correlation, rule recreation, fine tuning, troubleshooting, new logs onboarding, all those things. It's like a continuous improvement. So SOC or SIM tool, it's not like a 1-day job or 2-day job we can complete, and after that we can go and we can deploy the tool directly. It's not like that. So we have to do the continuously, so improving of the respective operations of the SOC. That is like a continuous improvement. Finally, reporting. So reporting is also one of the metrics. So we can verify the SOC key operations performance indicators. So we have to generate reports. There are two different types of reports, like technical reports and also process oriented reports related to incidents. So these reports we have to generate whatever agreement we have defined, whether weekly or monthly or quarterly. So that is the frequency basically. So these reports also we have to generate. So these are the couple of key performance indicators we have to define. So whenever we are implementing any SOC operations to the customer or client, or even it is applicable to product-based companies also. So please comment it. If you don't understand about this particular concept, I will verify once again, and I will try to explain once again in one more video. And thank you so very much for watching the video. Have a wonderful evening.